Hey everyone, is Microsoft Excel crashing right when you try to open it? Yeah, that's super annoying. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through several proven fixes to get Excel opening normally again. So let's jump right in. First, let's check if add-ins are causing the crash. Press the Windows key plus R to open the run box, type Excel space /safe, and press Enter. If Excel opens in safe mode, the issue is likely an add-in. If safe mode worked, open Excel normally, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. At the bottom, select COM add-ins and click Go. Uncheck all add-ins, click OK, and restart Excel to test. Next, make sure Excel is fully updated. Outdated versions can crash on launch. Yeah, it happens more than you think. Go to File, then Account, click Update Options, and choose Update Now. If Excel still crashes, let's repair Office. Open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, find Microsoft Office, and click Change. First run Quick Repair, and if needed, try Online Repair. Another common fix is disabling hardware graphics acceleration. Open Excel, go to File, Options, then Advanced. Scroll to the Display section and check Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration, then restart Excel. Finally, Excel may crash because of a bad startup file. Press Windows key plus R, type %appdata, %\Microsoft\Excel, and press Enter. If you see files in the XL Start folder, temporarily move them to another location and try opening Excel again. This fix works surprisingly often. And that's it. One of these methods should stop Excel from crashing on open. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.